education can serve, really high purposes in the right places and spaces with the ability to be reflective and critical in our reflection and transformative in our actions. It can bring us together in community and can also enable a recognition and realization of the possibilities of individual human beings and collaborative processes of human connection and community. My name is Jina Fast. I am the Schiff Professor of Applied Ethics in the Common Good, and I teach primarily philosophy courses, women's and gender studies courses, and courses in queer theory and sexuality studies. My work centers specifically on the intersections of medicine and homophobia, transphobia, sexism, and anti-Black racism. I just published a book entitled Decolonizing Existentialism and Phenomenology. It is a philosophy text, but it takes a transdisciplinary approach to what counts as philosophy, as well as the way in which philosophy shows up in literature, especially in Africana and Caribbean literature. Discussion-based collaborative models are the center of my teaching, generally in addition to treating my students as whole people who have whole lives and whose desires for the courses that they take and the projects that they take on are often very different than what I would have imagined them to be, as I'm limited in my perspective. So really respecting that and being okay with that, I think is really important to creating liberatory educational experiences rather than oppressive ones.